So let's talk about our next step. Our next step is to pull the paper out of here. Oh, don't mind me, that's my oven going off. Pull the paper out of here and put it onto a cookie sheet. The cookie sheet is lined with parchment paper, just regular old parchment paper. And so we're gonna pull these out just like this. We're gonna leave them folded, drip off the excess, lay them in the on the cookie sheet. And there's a lot of water, a lot of coffee water. And I usually do about 4 or 5 at a time. I usually do about 4 per cookie sheet. So you have a cookie sheet full of paper. So I have my oven set at 225 and I have the envelopes in there right now. And I did not remove the sticky sheet thing from the envelopes because it started to rip. So we'll see how well they do in the oven. They're kind of made of wax paper, kind of like, so I think they'll be okay. And so then I will show you when they come out of the oven. Thanks, next video.